Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on multiplying any two-digit numbers using vertically and crosswise technique of Vedic math. Vertically and crosswise technique is a three-step process. We will be starting from left side moving towards the right, and this is going to give us the result in a single line. First of all, we are going to multiply two numbers from the first column, and this will give us the first digit of the result. And then we will multiply crosswise the numbers of the two columns as shown here, and this will give us the middle digit of the result. And then lastly, we will multiply the two numbers of the last column, and this will give us the last digit of the result. Let's see how to do it. Let us suppose that we have to multiply 21 by 23. Now the steps are multiplying vertically in leftmost column, as 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. Here, this is the leftmost column. We will multiply these two numbers vertically, that is 2 times 2 gives us 4 here. So this will become the first figure of the answer, that is 4. In the second step, we have to multiply crosswise, like shown here. 2 times 3 and 2 times 1. And we will add these two results. 6 plus 2, that gives us 8, and this will become the middle number of the answer. So this is the middle number of the answer. Then in the third step, we have to multiply vertically the rightmost column, that is 1 times 3 gives us 3 here, and this will become the last number of the answer here. Now let's try to understand again. First of all, place these two numbers one below the other, like here. Then we will multiply the two numbers from the leftmost column, that is 2 times 2 gives us 4. This will become the first digit of the result. Then we will multiply crosswise. 2 times 3, that is 6. 1 times 2, 2, and this is 8. So the result here becomes 8, and this gives us the middle figure of the answer. Then again vertically, the lastmost column, 1 times 3 gives us 3. 483 is the answer. Now let's take a few more examples. Here we have to multiply 34 by 12. First we place these numbers one below the other. We will be starting from the leftmost column. First of all, we will multiply both the numbers of the left column. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then crosswise, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals to 10. If we get two-digit number, we have to write like this. And now vertically, last column, so 4 times 2 is 8. And now we will add this. This is 408. So this is the answer. Let's take one more example. First of all, two numbers on the first column vertically, so 12. And now crosswise, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 3 is 15, so this gives us 23. Because 23 is a two-digit number, so we will place like this. And now vertically again, 5 times 2 is 10, so like this. This becomes 1440. We are adding these two. So in this way, we are able to get the answer very fast. If we follow the traditional method, it is going to take slightly longer. Because first of all, we are going to multiply this number by 2, like this, and then by 3. And now we have to add this. So like this. But this is going to give us the answer in a single line. Let's take one more example. This time we have to multiply 64 by 31. Now first of all, numbers on the leftmost column. 6 times 3 is 18. And now crosswise, this is 6. 4 times 3 is 12, so 18. Because it's a two-digit number, so we will write like this. Again we will multiply vertically, so 4, 1984. 1984. So this is how vertically and crosswise technique works. Vertically, first column, crosswise, first and second column, and then again vertically, last column. So this is the technique vertically and crosswise. And now there is a small task for you to practice more problems. And answers are also given to you. We will continue with this technique in the next lecture also. So meet you in the next lecture.